Okay, let's check your answers and see how you did on the last 3 questions. So let's read this real quick. Carlos always seemed to have a smile on his face. Nothing seemed to get him down. When the baseball game that he had been looking forward to got canceled because of rain, Carlos said it would give him a chance to catch up on his reading. So is he cheerful, negative, or silly? So hopefully you picked, let me get my little highlighter right here. Hopefully you picked cheerful. So cheerful would have been the best answer for his character trait. All right, let's go to the next one. Miranda doesn't mind doing chores around the house. Sometimes she does the dishes without even being asked. She also spends time helping her little sister with her homework. Which word best describes Miranda? Is she generous, helpful, or proud? If you selected helpful, you are correct. Good job, guys. All right, last one. Thomas pushed his way to the front of the line. He grabbed his lunch tray without saying thank you to the server. While he was eating, he talked with his mouth full, and he left a mess of crumbs when he was done. Which word best describes Thomas? Was he rude, disgusting, or hungry? So the best choice would be rude. So hopefully you got 100% on those. So what we're going to do next is watch a quick video, and then you're going to take a little quiz to see how you did, or how you can show Miss Esther how well you are at identifying character traits.